how to apply promo codes on the Walmart app. So first, what you have to do is search for the item which you want to purchase. I'm just going to search for coffee here and add some items to my cart. Now, let's say that we are trying to buy this coffee. Now, you have it added on your cart, and what you have to do is then select your cart, and it's going to give you the option to continue to checkout, and also you can see how it's going to be delivered, so on and so forth. I'm just going to remove this one. Okay, so if you're using the app, then right here from within your cart, you will see the option to add a promo code. Now, right here, if we toggle this, Walmart Plus is going to show us the total and the savings, and you can apply the promo code as long as that specific item is available to be discounted. So if you can apply a promo code to it, you will see it right here, but unfortunately for this item I cannot. But if your item is available and qualifies for promo codes, then you can apply them right here where it says savings. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.